It's finally here. The first phone to be.
This is a civil danger warning for the state of Wyoming. Several missing people reports have been filed all over the state. Objects have also been observed disappearing in addition to the missing persons. Power outages are reported due to power lines disappearing. Officials are completely bamboozled due to this situation. Stay tuned to remaining TV stations for updates on this situation.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Wyoming State Emergency Management and the Wyoming State National Guard. The situation concerning disappearances has worsened. Estimates say that at least 15% of the population of Wyoming has disappeared, as well as many homes and structures. Almost all TV stations have been knocked off of the air or have disappeared due to this anomaly. This event is showing no signs of stopping, so it is recommended you evacuate the state immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. As of January 14, 2009, the National Guard has confirmed that the entire state of Wyoming has disappeared. Neighboring states or other parts of the world have not reported this anomaly occurring. The former state of Wyoming is now a lake, according to National Guard units stationed near the former state of Wyoming. Scientists are still puzzled due to this event. The death toll of this event is undetermined at this time.